Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm back here in front of you to explain the current situation. You can see this is our pastoral land in our area, and you can see in front of a jute field a tractor is plowing the land. And this is our narrow canal, and this is the fishing trap, and you can see there is a man is fishing with a spear. And do you know where is my house? My house over there. Okay, so right now I'm a shepherd, because my beloved prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was also a shepherd man. Okay, and there is a different kind of joy. You should to try this. Okay, assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.